Today we are going to learn how to multiply fractions. Okay, we're going to start with just doing some examples. Let's start with 5/8 times 2/10. Okay, when we're multiplying fractions, we're going to simplify and multiply all in the same step so that when we're finished, we have a fraction in its simplest form. So 5, we're going to write the prime factors of each of the factors, and then we're going to cross off. So the prime factors of 5 are 5. The prime factors of 2 are 2. Prime factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. And the prime factors of 10 are 2 times 5. Okay, now we're going to cross off any that are the same. We've got a 5 here, and a 5 here, and a 2 here, and a 2 here. Okay, nothing is left on the top, so again, that becomes a 1. What we have on the bottom is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. And so 5/8 times 2/10 in its simplest form is 1/8. Now I'll show you why that works. So let's go and just go ahead and multiply straight across. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 10 is 80. Let's simplify by writing the prime factors. Well, the factors of 10 are 5 and 2, so 5 times 2. The factors of 80 are, 2 of the factors of 80 are 8 and 10. Prime factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2, and the prime factors of 10 are 2 times 5. If you notice, this looks exactly like this, and that's why we can simplify and multiply all in the same step. Saves us from having to work with bigger numbers like this. Okay, let's go ahead and clear this one and do one more example. Let's do 5/12 times 6/10. Okay, the prime factors of 5 are 5. The prime factors of 6 are 2 times 3. Prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. And the prime factors of 10 are 2 times 5. And we're going to cross off any that are the same. We have 5 here and a 5 here, a 2 here and a 2 here, a 3 and a 3. Okay, and what is left is nothing on the top, so that becomes a 1. And we have a 2 times 2 left on the bottom, or 4. So 5/12 times 6/10 in its simplest form is 1/4. And that is how you multiply fractions.